Hello, my name is Tom Radzienda. I'm a Reiki teacher here in Chiang Mai in northern Thailand. In this video series, I would like to teach you how you can use Reiki healing energy to heal yourself. Before we get into the chakra system, let's start with grounding. It's very fundamental, very simple. You sit on a chair or a sofa comfortably. Have your feet firmly on the ground. Place your hands on your knees. You can close your eyes if that's more comfortable, and it is probably more suitable when you're practicing at home, so there will be less distraction. Bring your attention to the feeling of your body. Feel yourself to be inside the body, as if you are inhabiting the body. The reason for this is that it helps you to be more present. Because of course, this body is in the present moment. But the mind is most likely in the past or in the future or somewhere else. You have your hands resting gently, firmly on your knees. This supports the upper body weight. The feet are firmly on the floor with their shoes off, if that's possible. So you have a firm connection to the floor or to the earth if you are outside. One could easily say, well, you are just sitting there. Yes, that's the point. We're simply sitting here in the present moment, inhabiting the body. You can keep your attention on your feet, which may be helpful, to feel that connectedness between the feet and the ground. And that's what we mean by grounding. You are connected to the ground or to the earth. Remember, we're talking about Reiki, which is a healing energy or a life energy. And with any type of energy, it needs a ground. And that ground is the physical body's connection to the earth and the mind's connection to the body. So to watch this video, very simple, but practice. You may be noticing your breathing. That's fine, because that's present moment. You may notice sensations in your hands. One person's hands are warm, another person's hands may be cold, another person doesn't really feel sensations in their hands. Whichever the case, simply be aware of that. Similarly with the feet. You may feel tingling, or you may feel a heaviness, or nothing at all. Your mind inhabiting, if I may say, viscerally inhabiting the body. This keeps us present and grounded. Now these instructions are about 5 minutes long. You can practice for 5 minutes or for 20 or 30 minutes, whatever works for you. You can use this grounding meditation by itself to calm yourself down, or you can use it as preparation for Reiki self-healing. In the upcoming videos, you will see how to heal yourself at each of the 7 chakras. Enjoy your practice. Inhabit your body. Be present.